Sunday night, August 3rd, 2025. There's something going down here. What happened here? TTC. And a Motorist, maybe? Ooh. Apparently the car thought it was able to squeeze through the StreetCar, and nope. Big damage to their car now. Oh my gosh. You have to be patient, man. You cannot. He just totaled his car because he was impatient. And now that's why all these buses are coming out. Because they have to tow away the StreetCar now. There's a backlog of StreetCars back there. In the city, you can't drive like you're in the DTA on Highway 7. This is not Highway 7. It's King Street. Downtown city streets. You don't go fast. Don't have to tow it. The StreetCar doesn't have too much damage, it's the car that has damage.